The professional desktop is dead. At least, that's what the critics have been shouting for the last 5 years. They told us the era of the all-in-one powerhouse was over. They told us that if we wanted real power, we had to settle for a Mac Studio buried under a mountain of cables, or a Mac Pro Tower that costs as much as a mid-sized sedan. But in 2026, Apple is about to prove the world wrong. They are about to release a machine so powerful, so elegant, and so unapologetically pro that it might just make every other desktop in their lineup irrelevant. For years, the pro community has felt abandoned in the all-in-one space. We've been stuck with the 24-inch iMac, a beautiful machine, sure, but one designed for kitchens, dorm rooms, and reception desks. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It wasn't for the editors cutting 8K raw footage. It wasn't for the 3D artists rendering complex architectures. It wasn't for the developers training massive AI models. But the silence from Cupertino is about to be broken. The leaks, the internal kernel code, and the supply chain movements all point to one thing. A 32-inch monster is lurking in the shadows of Apple Park. This isn't just a spec bump. This is a total reclamation of the professional workspace. We are talking about the M5 Ultra chip, a processor so advanced it shouldn't exist in a chassis this thin. We are talking about a tandem OLED Pro Display XDR built directly into the frame. We are talking about the death of the cable mess and the birth of the ultimate executive workstation. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the M5 Ultra. To understand why this matters, you have to look at the leap Apple just took with the 2-nanometer process. In early 2026, the A20 and M5 chips changed the physics of what's possible. By moving to a 2-nanometers architecture, Apple has managed to pack nearly 200 billion transistors onto a single piece of silicon. In the iMac Pro, this chip is unleashed. Unlike the MacBook Pro, which has to worry about battery life, or the Mac Mini, which has to worry about its tiny footprint, the iMac Pro has the thermal headroom to let the M5 Ultra breathe. Early benchmarks are suggesting a 40% jump in multi-core performance over the M4 Max. We are reaching a point where the all-in-one isn't just a compromise. It is the peak of Apple's performance curve. But power is useless if you can't see it. And this is where the iMac Pro 2026 is going to break the internet. For the last 2 years, the 24-inch iMac has felt small. In a world of 32-inch and 34-inch ultra-wides, a 24-inch screen is a toy. But the new iMac Pro is reported to feature a massive 32-inch panel. And not just any panel. The rumors are split between a refined mini-LED system and the holy grail, tandem OLED. If Apple brings the tandem OLED technology from the iPad Pro to a 32-inch desktop, it will be the greatest display ever sold to the public. Imagine 2,000 nits of peak brightness. Imagine true blacks that make your timelines and your 3D models pop with a depth that looks three-dimensional. It's not just a monitor, it's a window into your work. And for the first time on an Apple desktop, we are expecting promotion 120 Hz. If you've ever used a Pro Display XDR, you know the color is perfect, but the 60 Hz refresh rate feels like a relic of the past. The iMac Pro 2026 fixes that. Whether you're scrubbing through a high frame rate timeline or just scrolling through code, the fluid motion is going to make it impossible